Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Claude with PowerPoint. To begin, open Claude and go to the new chat page. Starting from a fresh chat area makes it easier to access your account options and navigate directly to the settings you need. Once you're on that screen, look toward the bottom left corner, where you'll find your account menu. Click on your account icon or profile area in the lower left side of the screen. This opens the main account menu, where Claude keeps personalization, preferences, and connection options. From there, select Settings to continue. Inside Settings, look for the Connectors section and click into it. This is where Claude allows you to manage integrations with external tools and services. If you've never set up a connector before, this page may look mostly empty, and that's completely normal. Next, go to the top right corner of the Connectors page and click Add. This is the option used to create a new connection. After that, choose Browse Connectors. This opens the searchable list of available services you can connect to Claude. In the search field, type PowerPoint. As you enter the name, the results should filter automatically. Once PowerPoint appears in the list, click on it to open the connection setup page. On the PowerPoint connector page, click the Connect button, or select whichever connection button is currently available on your screen. From this point, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the setup. Depending on your account and browser, you may be asked to sign in, review permissions, or confirm access. Read each prompt carefully so you understand what is being approved before moving ahead. As you go through the connection flow, make sure you're using the correct Microsoft account if you manage more than one. That can help avoid confusion later when Claude tries to access the right PowerPoint files or presentation data. If a permission prompt appears, allow only what is required for the integration to work properly. Once the on-screen process is complete, your PowerPoint connector should be linked and ready to use inside Claude. If the connection doesn't appear right away, give it a moment to refresh, or return to the connectors page to confirm it was added successfully. That's all it takes to connect Claude with PowerPoint. With the connector in place, you'll be better set up to work more smoothly between your presentations and Claude.